Hi families, my name is Miss Mandler and I teach 6th grade social studies. I'm so sorry that I can't be there with you this evening, but I encourage you to directly reach out to me with any questions that you may have about myself or about the curriculum we're covering this year. I am originally from outside of Boston, Massachusetts, and I came out to Denver 11 years ago to go to DU, fell in love with the city, and just decided I will never leave. I've been teaching social studies for 8 years now, and so obviously I love 6th graders and I love the curriculum and the material that we get to cover throughout the year. I truly believe that social studies is an opportunity to teach students how to think critically, analyze different sources, and then come up with their own arguments, and then both defend the arguments they're making as well as grow out of the disagreements that come up from them. As you can see here, we cover a wide range of topics from ancient civilizations to various revolutions to ancient China. And then as you can also see in the pictures, I love doing interactive activities with my students when we are in person. However, obviously we've had to adapt given the current virtual climate that we are living in. And I have just been blown away by how your students have rolled with it and are still seeking out to get the most of their education. Last week we had our first hands down discussion, which is kind of like a mini debate, and I could not believe the courage and the effort that I saw from these 6th graders. I want you to know that I truly feel blessed to get to work with this group of kids, and I really look forward to connecting with each one of you.